Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is No Chefs here. Today I am making beef tripe, basically beef stomach, for the first time. It is frozen, so for now it will go into the refrigerator to defrost overnight. See you tomorrow. So here's our tripe. It looks pretty well defrosted, looks nice and clean, but just for extra measure, I will clean it with salt and lime juice. Lime juice will also help with any residual smell. So we're ready for the next step. These are going to be our aromatics that we will season oil with. There are 2 white parts of green onion, really roughly chopped. I kind of just in half, in quarter, something like that. 4 cloves of garlic, basically just smashed. There are 10 chili peppers here, about this big. They're dry, torn into pieces with seeds. And I have roughly chopped ginger here. So in a large enough pan, go ahead and preheat a couple tablespoons of sesame oil. Start with garlic, onion, ginger, peppers. Larger size of garlic and ginger help it not to burn. Everything smells absolutely great. Going right in. Start adding water, enough to cover the tripe. There goes 2 cups, 3 cups. So now we go with our seasoning. 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. And because it's not salty enough, we'll go in with 3 tablespoons regular soy sauce, using this brand. 3 tablespoons chicken powder. 2 or 3 tablespoons white pepper. About a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of 5 spice, Chinese 5 spice. The 5 spice smells absolutely amazing. It just takes everything to the next level, but you have to be careful with it. Don't add too much. So now that it's boiling, cover this, go to low. 30 minutes total of simmering gave me the results I wanted. Check for doneness by poking with a fork or a chopstick. Fork or a chopstick should go through to the thickest part. Easy enough, but with a little bit of snap. Well, I was craving this so much ever since my trip to Hong Kong. So let's see if I can call this a success or not. Tripe has a beautiful color. The 5 spice, the garlic, ginger gives it an amazing smell. Guys, I don't know if it's really authentic, but it tastes delicious. Listen to the texture. It is amazing. The texture of the tripe is perfect. It is soft enough, but it's snappy. Hopefully you heard that. It is spicy from the chilies. It is a little sweet from the 5 spice. Plus 5 spice just takes everything to a whole new level. It is so rich. It's got the umami from the soy sauce. The chicken broth that's instant is actually working quite well. So hopefully this inspires you to cook tripe this way if you haven't yet, or if you haven't tried tripe before, please don't have any reservations. It is an amazing dish. Besides the point, I'm a firm believer if we're taking an animal for food, we should at the very least minimize any kind of waste and use as many organs and parts of the animal as we can, because we are truly blessed by having the ability to enjoy the kind of food. So let me know what you think in the comments down below, and thank you for watching. As always, please take care.